This pretty shepherd mix girl is Miss Millie. Millie has been at the Irving shelter for over 2 months. She's close to 80 days at this point. And when she first got here, actually for her first month or so, she was very, very skittish. Wouldn't even come out of her kennel. You'd have to carry her out for potty and such. Now she's warmed up. She has a roommate who's in the kennel next to her. She doesn't want to take the treat from me, does she, sweetheart? But her roommate, she has a doggy roommate, and that really helped her come out of her shell. She will now approach the kennel door, wait for you to put the leash on her. She gets a little timid when she has to walk over the threshold, but she will follow you out. You can see now in the play area, she's acting like a normal dog, sniffing around. She'll come over when she wants a neck scratch or near scratch. But we know that Miss Millie is going to need a patient home, probably a quieter home, one where there's not going to be a lot of noise, and someone who's just going to be patient with her. It's going to take her a little longer than some dogs to warm up and feel comfortable. Millie would sure love to go home. Like I said, she's been here about 80 days, and at a city shelter, you can imagine that that's a very long time. So we need to find Miss Millie a home urgently. She is a shepherd mix. That's her little buddy Lucy. Hi, good girl. You can come see Millie in person Tuesday through Saturday. We're located at the Irving Animal Care Campus, which is near the south entrance of the DFW airport. Again, this is Millie. She is a young shepherd mix, and she's really, really hoping for a new home very soon.